what is the biggest difference between pitching for a broadcast live TV segment and pitching for like a Well and Good or kind of an online journal and blog?
So I think you have to kind of visualize for TV segment, it has to be something that would be interesting for the audience of that TV show. And obviously producers don't have a lot of time. They get a lot of emails, and a lot of pitches. There's a lot of people that they want to be on that TV show. So first of all, because it's a really big audience, and then it can be recycled over and over and over. So it's important that it's short, to the point, clear what it is that you want to do, and that you're not wasting producers' time. So don't send a monologue on your like attach a media kit or some of the things that you've done before, especially if they're associated to the show that you're pitching to, so that they remember that maybe you were on before. But one or two sentences that clear uh, talk to the producer, clearly talk to the producer is what it is that you want to do. It depends how far in advance you're pitching. Obviously, if it's a TV show, you cannot pitch something for next week, because usually they have a lot of things lined up. You have to think in advance. You have to think of what is trending depending on the month. So like, let's say it's February and it's Valentine's Day, that it's like a big happening of this month. So that was probably booked beginning of January. So you have to think in advance. And if they don't respond, don't get discouraged. Keep emailing. If you want to do a follow up, don't do a follow up. And this, by the way, counts for both, for online and print or TV segments. Don't bother this person. Like if you sent an email today, don't send an email tomorrow. Oh, did you have a chance to look at my email? No, give it some time. Let this person, get through their emails, because it can get annoying. So just to go back to online and print, if you sent me a pitch for my platform for Pop Style TV, and I didn't respond. I mean, probably I didn't like it that much, because if I do like something, I respond most of the time right away. If not, I need some time to process it and see if I can use it somewhere, or if I can, get an idea where to incorporate it. But also, like, don't email me the next day. Oh, did you receive my email? Or, I get a lot of products to test. So if you send me a product to test, does not automatically get you a placement. I'm usually very clear if someone wants to send something to me, like a tanning lotion or whatever. I tell them, I will consider it. I will test it out. And most of the time, it can happen that you don't like the product. So what are you going to do if you're emailing me 10 times after that? Obviously there's like a reason why I didn't include it in like a gift guide or whatever it was intended for, because maybe it's not something I want to recommend. I think that that's also very important. Your word, or whatever it is that you're recommending, you want to make sure that your viewers can trust you, and that you have certain reputation when it comes to what it is